Hi everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights. Together, I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you. So let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic, science at home. Fun and easy DIY experiments. Here are some DIY science experiments you can do at home, along with brief descriptions for each. 1. Volcano eruption. Materials: baking soda, vinegar, dish, soap, food coloring, a container. Description: create a volcanic eruption by mixing baking soda and vinegar in a container, adding dish soap and food coloring for effect. 2. Invisible ink. Materials: lemon juice, paper, cotton, swab, heat source lamp or iron. Description: write a message with lemon juice on paper. Once dry, heat the paper to reveal the hidden message. 3. Density rainbow. Materials: various liquids, honey, corn syrup, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol, food coloring. A. Clear glass. Description: layer different colored liquids in a glass to create a density rainbow. 4. Static electricity balloon. Materials: balloon, wool cloth or hair. Description: rub a balloon on a wool cloth or your hair to create static electricity, then use it to pick up small paper pieces or make your hair stand on end. 5. Homemade lava lamp. Materials: clear bottle, water, vegetable oil, food coloring, Alka Seltzer tablets. Description: fill a bottle with water and oil, add food coloring, then drop in Alka-Seltzer tablets to create a lava lamp effect. 6. Grow your own crystals. Materials: borax, hot water, pipe cleaners, a jar, string. Description: dissolve borax in hot water, hang A-shaped pipe cleaner in the solution, and let it sit to grow crystals. 7. Egg and vinegar. Bouncy egg. Materials: egg, vinegar, container. Description: soak an egg in vinegar for 24 to 48 hours to dissolve the shell, leaving a bouncy, rubbery egg. 8. Homemade slime. Materials: glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, food coloring. Description: mix glue with baking soda and contact lens solution to create stretchy slime, adding food coloring for variety. 9. Magic milk. Materials: milk, dish soap, food coloring, a shallow dish. Description: pour milk into a dish, add drops of food coloring, then touch the surface with dish soap to see colors. Swirl. 10. Balloon rocket. Materials: balloon, string, straw, tape. Description: thread a string through a straw, tape a balloon to the straw, and watch it zoom when the balloon is released. Tips for safety and success. Always supervise children during experiments. Use appropriate safety gear like gloves and goggles when needed. Follow instructions carefully to ensure safe and accurate results. These experiments are simple, fun, and educational, perfect for sparking an interest in science at home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.